shouldn't drive a car if you're really tired. You shouldn't eat meat if the use-by date has expired. You shouldn't always compare yourself to the people around you. You should believe in yourself even if others doubt you. You should do a warm-up before you start to lift weights. You should always try to have vegetables on your plate. You shouldn't spend too much time in front of a screen. If you're playing a team sport, you should try to work as a team. Should do, it's a good idea. Shouldn't do, it's a bad idea. Should do, it's a good idea. And we've got the sounds for your ear. You should be yourself, don't try to be someone else. You should try to do the things that you know are good for your health. You should talk to somebody if you're feeling stressed. Even if something's difficult, you should try your best. If you have an important test and you want to get a good score, you shouldn't leave your revision until the night before. You should be grateful for the good things in your life. Be grateful for the good things in your life. I had to say that twice. Should do, it's a good idea. Shouldn't do, it's a bad idea. Should do, it's a good idea. And we've got the sounds for your ear. To your fellow human being, you should try to be kind. You shouldn't believe everything that you read online. You shouldn't work for too long without having a break. You should draw with a pencil in case you make a mistake. You shouldn't judge people by the way that they look. You should offer your seat if someone needs it on the bus. You shouldn't drop litter in the streets, try to find a bin. You shouldn't give up just because you failed, you should try again. Should do, it's a good idea. Shouldn't do, it's a bad idea. Should do, it's a good idea. And we've got the sounds for your ear. Should do, it's a good idea. Shouldn't do, it's a bad idea. Should do, it's a good idea. And we've got the sounds for your ear.